Good morning, guys. Happy National Unicorn Day. How exciting is that? Today I want to tell you about a game that you can play with the words that you used yesterday on your cat, duck, hop, snail sorting mats. So you can take those words, they should already be cut out, shuffle them and hand, you are going to need another person to play with. Hand however many people you're playing with 7 cards and then put the rest in the middle like a pickup pile. And then you would hold your cards and say, I'll go first. And I have the word mat. So I'm going to ask you if you have a word that rhymes with mat. If you have a word that rhymes with mat, you say, yep, here you go. Here is, let's say you give me sat. You gave me sat. Okay, cool. So I'm going to take those 2 words, mat and sat, and I'm going to put them down in front of me. I'm making a pile. Then it's your turn. You're going to ask me if I have a word that rhymes with a word that's in your hands. And you'll go back and forth taking turns. If the person doesn't have a word that rhymes with the word that you're looking for, you can pick a pile up out of those extra cards that you put in the middle. That's one way that you can play the rhyming game today. Another way is if you do it with all the cards, it's going to be a little bit of a lot. So maybe you could do it with half, but you would want to have an adult help you make sure that you have an even number of rhyming words before you start, so that way you wind up with matching all of the words. You would take the words and you would place them face down, and then you could do a memory game. Okay, so they're face down, and I'm going to pick up one. I'm going to pick up pat, and then I'm going to pick up sat. If they rhyme, I get to keep them. If they don't, then I'm going to put them back in the same spot that I picked them up from, but I'm going to remember this was where pat was and this is where sat was. If I get another word that does rhyme with those, then I'll know where it's at. So that's a memory rhyming game that you could play today too. You can play both, or you can pick one of the games, but practice with your rhyming words and have so much fun and enjoy National Unicorn Day. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.